Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the sliding arm in your microwave oven, you will need to remove the appliance from the cabinet. To do this, first shut off the power supply to the oven junction box. Open the oven door and remove any racks from the oven, along with the turntable and support. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the mounting flanges to the cabinet. Remove the washers as well, if still intact. Now have an assistant help you to pull the appliance out of the cabinet and set it on a sturdy surface. Be aware that if the conduit cable is not long enough to move the microwave oven, you will need to disconnect the power and grounding wires and remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 4 screws securing the top access panel. Lift the panel up, then slide forward to remove. Now unthread all of the screws, securing the right side panel. Detach the panel. Open the oven door and use a 1/8-inch drill bit to drill out the rivet securing the sliding arm to the door. With the rivet drilled out, you can slide the old sliding arm out of the support. You're now ready to install the new sliding arm. Raise the latch release rod to insert the top of the rod into the switch holder. Hold up the lever as you insert the new arm through the support. If necessary, punch out the old rivet from the bushing. Align the arm with the door anchor. Insert the bushing into the arm and secure with the new rivet. Realign the side panel and replace the screws. Replace the top access panel by inserting the rear edge first. Secure it with the screws. Return the microwave oven to the cabinet and push it into position. Insert the washers into the holes in the flanges. Then thread the 2 screws to secure the flanges to the cabinet. Replace the support and align the turntable on the coupling. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.